Assalamu alaikum students, I am Ghazan Froli, your chemistry tutor, and welcome to MDCAT chemistry crash course. And today we are going to discuss about some MCQs of chapter fundamental principles of organic chemistry. And our first question is, which of the following is not an aromatic heterocyclic compound? So the aromatic heterocyclic compound, the heterocyclic compounds are such compounds that consist of a heteroatom. So the options are alpha is pyrrole, beta is phoron, Charlie is thiophene, and delta is anthracene. So our alpha is pyrrole, and this is the structure of pyrrole, and beta is phoron, and the Charlie is thiophene. Charlie is thiophene, and delta is anthracene. The question is, which of the following is not an aromatic heterocyclic compound? So according to the Huckel rule, the compounds are aromatic that they have a planar geometry, and there is complete conjugation present in the ring, and they consist of 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So in pyrrole, nitrogen is a heteroatom, in phoron, oxygen is a heteroatom, and in thiophene, sulfur is a heteroatom. In anthracene there is no heteroatom present, so we can say that anthracene is not a heterocyclic compound. So which of the following is not aromatic heterocyclic compound? So alpha, beta, and Charlie, pyrrole, phoron, and thiophene are the heterocyclic compounds. So they are aromatic according to the Huckel rule. If a molecule is planar and there is 6 pi electrons present, and there is complete conjugation present in the ring, then the compound is aromatic. So according to the Huckel rule, the pyrrole is a aromatic compound, and due to the presence of the nitrogen atom, it is a heterocyclic compound. In pyrrole, in phoron, we will observe that this pi electron participate in delocalization, and there is complete conjugation present in the phoron molecule, and it is a planar molecule. And there is complete conjugation present in the ring, and it consists of 6 pi electrons. So according to the Huckel rule, the phoron is a aromatic compound, and oxygen is a heteroatom, so it is also an aromatic heterocyclic compound. In thiophene, sulfur is a heteroatom, and these lone pairs participate in delocalization, and there is complete delocalization or conjugation present in the ring. So we can say that according to the Huckel rule, thiophene is an aromatic compound, and it is a heterocyclic compound because it consists of a heteroatom, sulfur as a heteroatom, so it is a aromatic heterocyclic compound. While this anthracene consists of fused rings. Anthracene consists of fused benzene rings. So the compound that consists of isolated or fused benzene rings are the benzenoid aromatic compounds. So according to the question, which of the following is not a heterocyclic compound? So anthracene is the right answer, delta is the right answer. Anthracene is not a heterocyclic compound, while pyrrole, phoron, and thiophene are the aromatic heterocyclic compound. Anthracene is a benzenoid aromatic compound. Anthracene is a benzenoid aromatic compound. It is a benzenoid aromatic compound, not a aromatic heterocyclic compound. So the second question is, which of the following is alcohol is aromatic alcohol? The alcohol that consists of a phenyl group is called aromatic alcohol. So the options are alpha is glycerol, and this is the structure of glycerol, and the beta is ethane 1,2-diol. And the Charlie is 2-phenyl ethanol. Charlie is 2-phenyl ethanol. This is the structure of 2-phenyl ethanol. This is the carbon number 1, this is the carbon number 2, and there is a phenyl group attached at carbon number 2. So this is the 2-phenyl ethanol. The question is, which of the following alcohol is aromatic alcohol? The alcohol that consists of a phenyl group or a benzene derivative is called aromatic alcohol. So 2-phenyl ethanol is a aromatic alcohol because it consists of alkyl group. Sorry, it consists of aryl group, or we can say that it consists of phenyl group, while the glycerol and the ethane diol, these are the acyclic and aliphatic alcohols. These are the acyclic aliphatic alcohols. So which of the following alcohol is aromatic alcohol? So our Charlie is the right answer. 2-phenyl ethanol is the aromatic alcohol because it consists of a phenyl group, while the alpha and beta, glycerol and ethane 1,2-diol are the acyclic aliphatic alcohols. So our Charlie is the right answer. So this is all about the some MCQs of chapter fundamental principles of organic chemistry.